Okay, today is the start of something rather special for me here on YouTube. I finally get to start YouTube Gold. Here are 4 long I-beams, 2 smaller I-beams, and then these 2 little stubbies right here. Got a picture up where I can see the base plate. I can almost see that the I-beams fit right over the holes on all 4 corners there. Gonna have 2 levels to it. This is the motor mounting plate right here, which is gonna go up on that second level. And you can even see I've got some cross brace straps right here. So enough chit chat, I'm gonna start bolting it together. Here it is the next day. My buddy Steve had to come by. What's up, dude?
Not too much, man. This is a pretty cool unit, though.
Have a look at the new shaker for our gold mining plant. And I finally got everything together. Everything is hooked up. The cover plate is on the motor. The belt is aligned. The only thing I noticed is that the springs are kind of bending under the weight a little bit, just on one side. Which isn't too bad. This whole unit now, of course, just resting on these springs, coming down the wire, the motor here onto the back, right into the side, into the control box. Here, I can turn it on for you guys. We're gonna use it in a few minutes, take it outside and see what it really does. Has a variable controller, and here it is. You can't see it very well. I'll turn it down so you can see it. Shaking as much as we can. Very difficult to see, but you guys will see it when we get some dirt into it in a few minutes. Steve, you worked with sheet metal before.
Yes.
Can you tell me a little bit about what you see in this unit? Like, what's it made out of? How is it welded together, you know?
It is spot welded together, and it looks like it's made out of about 16 gauge satin coat sheet metal, probably. So it looks to be powder coated.
Yeah, it does look to be powder coated. Like the paint on it's exceptionally good.
It is very nice.
I can see in some areas the welds don't look super strong, but as you're saying, if you over welded this material, it would make it more weak, yeah?
Yes, yes it would.
So
brittle at the joints.
3 chutes for the separated dirt to come out, and a slot at the bottom for the pay dirt to come out. I've got a small sluice box that I'm going to be setting up here for the water tray. But Steve, I think we should take it outside and put a bucket of dirt in it and see what it does, yeah?
Let's give it a run, yeah.
So that actually almost looks level right there. But as it shakes, it's going to start getting more unlevel.
It's going to settle, yeah.
Yeah, so we need, I can feel I need a little bit.
Some in the back.
Yeah.
Okay, so I know that every shaker is going to be attached to a wash plant, so I'm taking apart my old high banker and getting the sluice box ready. We're just shortening it up right now.
Okay, so what should happen now is I'm going to fire up the excavator. We're going to, after we hook up the power box, of course, turn it on. We should be able to see the dirt shaking and actually separating as it comes out with what we'd call, you know, pay dirt coming out through the bottom. Again, no watering system set up right now. This is only like a mock setup. We still have to build in the piping system, but I'm thinking a PVC setup should be pretty simple, cost effective, and easy to hook up to a hose. So, shall we give her a go? What do you think?
That's pretty amazing machine, Aaron.
We always find the cool stuff to put on RC Adventures, Steve.
It works so well. It sorts the 4 different sizes of
It's amazing.
aggregate there. That's crazy.
Look how fine this is here, this pay dirt. Look at this.
Wow.
Look at that. So if I had a washer that was spraying down here, moving all this dirt over the riffles, over the separators, into the miner's moss underneath, I think this could definitely be a part of YouTube Gold.
Has very high potential to actually grab gold.
Next, we get to look at what was in the other box.
Anaconda!
There's a giant snake at the mine. He's trying to go back home, holy cow. He wants out of the heat right now. I think we should help him out since we have all this different aggregate. Hey, just go ahead and put it right back on him. Keep him from drying out.